अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. In the last lecture, we had finished till verse number 13. In that verses, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about those people who are hypocrites. They just utter by their mouth that they are believers, but they are not true believers. They are not actual believers. So here also the context is the same. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about those people only. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that wa means and iza means when, and when laqu, they all mulaqat word comes here. They all meet. Who are they? They are the hypocrites. They all meet. Allazina amanu. Allazina means those who they believed. Okay. And when they all meet, those people who they believed, or the believers, qalu, they all used to say. Who they are? The disbelievers, the hypocrites. They all used to say, amanna, we had believed. This is also past tense. This is also past tense. Yesterday we did the series of amanna also, past tense. So you can just go through that video, and the link is there in the description box. They all used to say, amanna, we believed. Wa iza, and when khalau, they all are alone. Ila, two words. Ila means two or towards. Two or towards. Shayatinihim. Him will go, him is attached pronoun. They are. Shayatin means they are Satan type of people. Satanic people means devils. They are devils. Qalu, they all say. Inna, indeed we are. Ma'akum, ma'a means with, kum means you. Ma'a, this is most commonly occurring word in Quran Majid, means with, kum means you. This is attached pronoun. Indeed we are with you. This inna is actually in plus na. So na is attached pronoun. It gives the meaning of we, us, are. In is, most of the time in gives the meaning of if, but sometimes also it gives the meaning of indeed also. So here it is giving the meaning of indeed. Indeed we are with you. Innama, merely or only. Nahnu is detached pronoun. This also we had done. Merely we are mustahzi'un. We all are those people who do mockery or who make jest. Okay. Mustahzi'un means those people who are jesters or mockers. Jesters or mockers. Let's revise this verse again. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, and when these hypocrites, they all meet those people who believed, qalu, they all used to say, we believed. And when they are alone, two, they are devils. This shayateen word will actually be defined as those people who have the quality of a devil, of a Satan. Okay, shayateen is actually plural of shaitan, means one Satan. These are many Satans. So Satans means those people who have the quality of Satan. So two, they are devils. Qalu, they say, indeed we are ma'akum, actually we are with you, merely we were just mockers. Okay, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is replying to these words. Allah yastahzi'u, this ya will give the meaning of he. Istahzi'u means he mocks. He mocks, bihim, at them. Bihim is addition of two words, be plus him. Be plus him. Be means in or with, sometimes at also. Okay, so he mocks at them. Wa means and, yamuddu means he. This ya will give the meaning of he. Madda means to extend or to prolong. You have seen this sign in Quran Majid. This is called as madda. Here what we do is we just don't pronounce this as we pronounce is like this way. So we just extend or we just prolong it. So that's why it is called as madda. And the same word here is this meme, that is root word. And he extends or or he prolongs whom, them, and he prolongs them. Who prolongs them? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala prolongs them. Who are they? These are hypocrites. Them, fi means in, tughyanihim, him will attach pronoun, means they are. Tughyan means rebellion or transgression. Rebellion. Let me write its spelling. Rebellion or transgression. Transgression. In their transgression, yamahun, ya and wawnun will give the meaning of they, or amaha is the root word, means to wander blindly, wandering blindly, wander blindly. Ain, mim will be the root word. Okay. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala leaves them in their transgression. He prolongs them means he just leaves them in their transgression, and they all wander blindly. They don't get the right path there. So let's revise these words again. And when they all meet, those people they have believed, they all used to say, we believed. And when they are alone to their devils, they all used to say, Inna, indeed we are with you. Innama, merely we are mockers. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he leaves them in their mockery, or he just mocks at them. Actual translation of the word will be he mocks at them, but actually Allah doesn't mocks at anyone. He leaves them in their mockery. Okay, this is the means like better pronunciation. He leaves them in their mockery. He leaves them in their mockery, and he prolongs them in their transgression. They all are wandering blindly. They all wander blindly. So this was for today. And if you don't understand anything, you just ask me in the comment box. Wa akhiru dawana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum.